Alright, y'all, coming into Terrell, Texas. I'm gonna take the exit on the I-20 side. So yeah, we're gonna go check up on the new car wash here at Buc-ee's in Terrell. I don't think it's open yet, but it looks almost done. Oh, wait, maybe it is. Oh, I went the wrong way. I took the wrong turn. Oh, no, wait, it's not open yet, but it's basically done. It's almost done. Yep, Mac and Neil equipment in there. Yeah, it's almost done. It's almost done. It's almost done. And the funny thing is, we have Clearwater across the street. So I'm curious to see the competition. Although Clearwater is one of my favorite places to go. So yeah, that's what it looks like now. Alright, greetings y'all back from Plano, Texas. Feels good to be back here so often. Just got finished having my really late lunch at In-N-Out. And then I was still trying to think about what few car washes I want to do today. I decided to go ahead and do Vibe Car Wash here in Plano. The pretty new car wash. I've heard pretty good things about, so I figure we can go check that one out this time. The yellow car wash. I may eventually do the McKinney one later. Wash entrance. Cash credit unlimited cut. Interesting pay station setup and everything.
What's good, man?
So, I get
So we have a $10 promotion going on for all of our washes are $10 and it gives you unlimited. Not just for 1 month, but for 3 months. It's a pretty good deal. And it pretty much covers you for the summer. You're only paying more.
Can I take a look at your single washes?
So our single washes, the Diamond Spirit is going to be 25. We're going to include the Platinum Gold and Basic, because it's also running Pro. The Platinum is going to be 20, Gold's going to be that 15. Basic's going to be 10, or you can just pay 10 to get the Diamond and Platinum for a whole month off.
I'll go ahead and get the 20.
You don't want to pay $10 less and get the same thing?
No, I'm good.
Would you like your receipt?
No, thank you. Cool. Thank you very much, sir. Seems like a nice wash. Yeah, I prefer more like a single color other than RGB or over RGB, but it looks like a fairly short tunnel. We'll see how we do. Much soap you can't even see anything. Nice setup though. Pretty quick, pretty good wash, it seems like. Yeah, I'm not surprised. It was a 5, 10, 20, 25 tier for what the wash packages. Okay, well, not too shabby. How do I get to the next wash? Okay. Well, hope you all enjoyed. Thank you all for watching. See you on the next one.